Before buying a CD cell phone mount, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. But the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Let's dig into the top 5 options that can keep your phone secure while driving. Product number 1, APP-Car Magnetic CD Phone Holder. The APP-Car Magnetic CD Phone Holder caught my attention with its strong magnetic grip and solid design, priced at $15.99. If you want a reliable mount that keeps your phone in place over bumpy roads, this is worth a serious look. This mount features an astonishing magnetic attraction of up to 25 Nm, ensuring your phone stays securely attached, no matter how bumpy the ride gets. Plus, the 360-degree rotation is a game changer for getting the perfect angle for navigation. It's also compatible with a wide range of smartphones up to 6.8 inches, making it versatile for most users. With over 11,900 reviews and a solid 4.5-star rating, buyers love it for its ease of use and stability. Now, some users did mention that the mount might get loose over time, especially on rough roads. Here's the thing though, as long as you periodically check the tightness, it should serve you well. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a mount that combines strength and ease of use. Skip this one if you have a curved CD slot or a very tight space around your gear shift, as it might not fit properly. For $15.99, it offers great value for money. Now, if the potential loose fit concerned you, the next option takes a different approach altogether. Product number 2, APP-Car Sturdy CD Slot Phone Mount. Next up is the APP-Car Sturdy CD Slot Phone Mount, priced at just $9.99. This caught my attention with its focus on secure grip and functionality. If you're after a budget-friendly yet reliable solution, this one deserves a look. This mount features a screw-locked base that ensures your phone stays put, even on bumpy roads. It has a flexible ball head joint for 360-degree adjustment, making it easy to get the right angle for safe driving. The one-hand operation allows for easy installation and removal of your phone, which is super convenient. With over 22,300 reviews and a 4.4-star rating, it's clear that many users appreciate its practicality. However, some buyers pointed out that it may not fit well in curved CD slots or in vehicles with limited space. But here's the deal, if you have a standard CD slot, you should be just fine. This is perfect for you if you want a budget option that doesn't sacrifice functionality. Skip this if your car has a non-standard CD slot. For under $10, it's a fantastic deal. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who need a bit more stability. Product number 3, VSSMSSA CD Slot Car Phone Mount. The VSSMSSA CD Slot Car Phone Mount comes in at $9.99 and boasts some impressive features for its price. If you're looking for a compact and easy-to-use mount, this might be just what you need. This mount is designed for one-button release, making installation super easy. It has a full 360-degree rotation for optimal viewing, which is crucial for navigating while driving. The anti-scratch silicone and thick case compatibility mean you won't have to worry about your phone slipping or getting damaged. With a rating of 4.3 stars from over 3,600 reviews, users appreciate its reliability. On the downside, some customers mentioned it could feel a bit flimsy compared to more expensive options. But I'll be real with you, if you keep it secured properly, it works just fine. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable, straightforward phone mount for everyday use. Skip it if you have larger devices or need something more heavy-duty. For $9.99, it's tough to beat that value. Now, if the sturdiness of a device matters more to you, the next product really steps it up. Product number 4, TICILFO Upgraded Metal CD Slot Phone Holder. At $11.99, the TICILFO Upgraded Metal CD Slot Phone Holder really caught my eye for its sturdy build. If you're after something that can handle a bit of rough treatment, this might be the right choice. What sets this mount apart is its upgraded metal clip that claims to be 20 times more stable than plastic mounts. This means you can trust that it won't sag or slip, even on bumpy roads. The 360-degree rotation allows for easy adjustments, so you can find the perfect position for your phone. It's compatible with most smartphones ranging from 4 to 7 inches, which is great for those with thicker cases. With 4.4 stars from 7,000 reviews, it's clearly well received. However, some users did express concerns about the installation process being a bit tricky at first. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, it's quite straightforward and the stability is worth it. This is perfect for you if you need a mount that's built to last and handles heavy use. Skip this one if you want something that's ultra easy to install without any fuss. At $11.99, it offers solid value for durability. Now, if you want a premium experience, the last product on our list is a must-see. Product number 5, iAudi Easy One Touch Signature CD Slot Mount. Finally, we have the iAudi Easy One Touch Signature CD Slot Mount priced at $24.95. This one really stood out with its premium features. If you're looking for top quality and reliability, this is worth considering. The iAudi mount features an easy one-touch mechanism, allowing you to mount or remove your phone with just one hand. This is incredibly convenient when you're driving. It also has adjustable viewing angles, so you can switch between portrait and landscape modes easily. With over 5,500 reviews and a 4.5-star rating, users rave about its ease of use and solid build. However, the higher price point might be a turnoff for some. But honestly, if you want a mount that feels well-made and offers great functionality, the investment might be worth it. This is perfect for you if you want a high-quality, easy-to-use mount that won't let you down. Skip it if you're looking for a budget option, as this one is a bit pricier. For $24.95, it's a reliable choice that should last you a long time. So to wrap it up, we've explored 5 solid CD cell phone mounts. The strong magnetic grip of the APPS Dakar, the budget-friendly APPS Dakar Sturdy, the compact VSSMSSA, the durable TICILFO, and the premium iAudi. Each has its strengths, so it just depends on what you need. Whichever you choose, happy driving.